Good morning, friends and viewers. I am highly thankful for your overwhelming response to our previous videos by freestyle speaking by Atul Ahuja on our YouTube channel. Today, our topic is 7 tips for 7 bands. Dear viewers, to get 7 band in IELTS is a dream for every IELTS aspirant. So we at Wave Overseas, I Atul Ahuja and my associate Sukhjeet will share 7 tips on listening, reading, writing and speaking, and believe me, these are going to be a master key for LRWS. So please like, share and subscribe our channel, and wishing you all the best for upcoming your IELTS exams. Please look at our 7 tips.
Hello everyone, I am Sukhjeet. I am working as a master trainer at Wave Overseas. I am 7 band holder. So here I am going to share with you tried and tested 7 band tips how to attempt LRWS in IELTS. If I talk about the listening tips, in listening we have 40 questions. As you all know, there are many different kind of instructions, so keep these things in mind. Secondly, candidates should be focused and make concentration while attempting the listening test and write the correct spellings accordingly. If I talk about the reading tips, in reading tip we have 40 questions and you will be given 60 minutes to attempt the reading test. In reading test, firstly you need to read the instructions carefully, which is very mandatory tip as we have different kind of questions in reading test. Secondly, mark the keywords and don't try to match the words, try to match the meanings of the words. When it comes to the writing tips, we have 2 tasks, task 1 and task 2, and there are different writing criteria. Task 1 we have to write 150 to 180 words, and in task 2 we have to write 250 to 280 words. So write your essays within the word limit. Secondly, task response, which is very crucial. Task essay or task 1 you are going to write should be relevant, and task response should be accurate to score good band score in writing. For the speaking module, Atul sir will give you the tips.
Thanks a lot, Sukhjeet, for giving all do's and don'ts on LRW, that is listening, reading and writing. You are very, as you are rightly said, these are the tried and tested tips because you yourself are scored 7 bands in IELTS, and I would like to continue on the speaking tips. In speaking, I would like to say only one thing. Whenever anybody speaks any speech, there are 3 parts, that is opening, middle part and closing. And believe me, these all 3 parts are very important. Same in the case in the IELTS too. If I talk about the opening, it's an introduction part, also called warm-up session. In warm-up session, introduction, we have already told you, you have to follow this high five video. In that we have given you introduction in a very simple way. You can just watch that. Again, we are giving the link in this video also, where you can again download the high five introduction. And I would like to say that you have to speak naturally. You should not be in the pressure, and you should not try to. In linguistic also, you are not going to follow any British or any other accent. Let us be natural. The regular accent which we have got, that is sufficient for our speaking. And second thing is, in the middle part, we have to be very careful about the what, when, why, where, which, whose and how. All type of the W's, I again repeat, that is what, when, why, where, which, whose and how. Because if we are familiar with all these things, these are the all relevant type of the questions which examiner will ask or examiner can ask. And followed by, please try to explain every question in a natural way. Do not try to leave the things by in a 1 or 2 line. Try to explain it and let your examiner to stop you for the answers. And last thing I would like to ask you, that is a closing part. As closing is very important, somehow I feel like the students, they start well, they explain the middle part well, but they somehow forget or they skip the wrapping up the things, so they are not concentrating on the closing. But closing is most important part of every speech. You must, if the topic is honesty is the best policy, you have to explain that on how honesty is the best policy. Honest people are liked by people, honest people are followed by the population. Like that, you have to emphasize on the topic, you have to close it well. So these are the 7 tips for today for scoring 7 bands in IELTS. I would like to ask you, please like, share, subscribe by pressing the bell icon button. And for high five and for the tenses and for grammar, please you can look at our previous videos. The links we are again sharing with you. Thank you very much for watching us. Have a nice day.